Welcome to completing the square, a technique used to solve quadratic equations. The standard form of a quadratic equation is x squared plus bx plus c equals 0. Let's use the equation x squared plus 6x plus 8 equals 0 as our first example. Our goal is to rewrite this equation in a perfect square form. First, we move the constant term to the other side of the equation. To complete the square, we add the square of half the coefficient of x to both sides. This simplifies to the perfect square form, x plus 3 squared equals 1. Taking the square root of both sides gives us x plus 3 equals plus or minus 1. Solving for x, we get x equals minus 3 plus or minus 1. So, our solutions are x equals minus 4 and x equals minus 2. Now, let's consider the equation x squared minus 4x minus 3 equals 0 as our second example. Again, our goal is to rewrite this equation in a perfect square form. We add the square of half the coefficient of x to both sides to complete the square. This simplifies to the perfect square form, x minus 2 squared equals 7. Taking the square root of both sides gives us x minus 2 equals plus or minus the square root of 7. Solving for x, we get x equals 2 plus or minus the square root of 7.